Hi to everyone guys, in a new video, in one of my previous video where I was telling you about 5 most important points that you need to pay attention on before choosing broker companies, I was telling you about spread. And in that video, as it's very important point for every trader and mostly people are making their research and choosing the broker company only because of spread, I decided to go a little bit deeper at that point and make for you some small comparison, because even in that topic I think it's clear, yeah, you are choosing broker with the lower spread. People don't understand what you need to pay attention on and how to choose really low spread broker company, because also some more things like swap, like commission, and you can think, wow, it's so low amount, but I will show you in today's video how something small can make big impact on your account. So I'll show you the real account, I'll show you 3 different broker companies, and I will show you how you need to calculate your expenses on trading, because real spreads and all those things around the spreads, this is the expenses on your own trading that you are making this minus from your profit. And if you are trading with a bad trading condition, your final results will be not so great in comparison as it might to be. So yeah, long intro, stay tuned till the end of this video because I'll show you a lot of interesting things. So let's go to my laptop and I'll show you this comparison. Let's start guys our short video. So first of all, I'll explain you that for the beginners, you need to understand what does it mean spread when you are trading. Spread, this is the difference between 2 prices, bid and ask. In a simple way, if you are going to exchanger, I'm telling you that for beginners, maybe you are a beginner, you want to know more about market. So the spread, this is like when you are going to exchanger, you can see the 2 prices when these store are buying, are selling, and there is some difference. This difference, it's calling spread. What type of spreads you can see in your terminal? You see like a bid and ask, and every broker company he is dealing with liquidity provider, so he is getting some spreads from liquidity provider, then he is adding some markup. Or broker companies, by the way, they are dealing in 2 directions. They can work in 2 directions. First of all, they are adding some markup into the spreads from liquidity provider, like euro dollar, by the way, 0.2, 0.3 maximum. So everything more, what does it mean 0.2, 0.3? So if you are trading with the full lot, one lot, you need to pay, like if you're trading in liquidity provider, your spread will be $3. If you are trading with the broker company, like in that example, you see spread is $12. So we can understand spreads, by the way, is the floating. Like long time ago when this business only started, spread was fixed. Right now it's like not fair, by the way, because market is moving and spread are changing. So right now spread is floating everywhere. You can see there that it's changing a lot. And the brokers, some of the brokers, they are showing you like that when they are trading without commission, and another broker companies, you can see their wow spreads, these spreads. This is the price that we need to pay for the broker company is very low, but as we can see in this field, there is it's calling commission. So you are paying this spread for liquidity provider because you're trading in the real market. Everything else you are paying for the broker companies. If we are talking about profit of the broker companies, we are not talking about right now about Myfxbook, like classic STP broker companies. They are generating profit from your spreads, you know, or from your commission. So if you are trading with some companies with 0 spreads and they are offering for you from $100 or $200, you need to understand that it's impossible in that market to trade with the lowest spread with the minimum amount, because mostly and first of all, this broker company is working with the Myfxbooks. If you will lose all your money, it will go to that broker company. But there are some other charges like swap. What does it mean swap? If you are transferring your position, like moving position from one day to another, and in some cases broker companies, they are charging the type of the swap. So you can see there, and right now we'll start like checking some accounts in that field. You see, you can see the swap. Sometimes it's at minus, sometimes it's one in plus. If you can see there's 0, it means that client or this trader that trading on that account, he closed position at the same day. So if we are using MT4 and MT5, you need to click your right button on your mouse and you can choose these spreads, and I highly recommend to put everyone this is spread. So in some websites, let us go to one of the most popular websites, it's calling Myfxbook. There are, if you will open this website, you can see, wow, spreads are very, very low. But unfortunately, there are two hiding things. One more, if you hide plus commission, bam. You see, it's totally different. And another point, like let us talk about multi-bank. You see, spreads 0.6, 0.5. So it means if you are trading with full lot, you need to pay only like $6, $5, like dollar yen only $7. But you can see that the minimum deposit, yeah, by the way, in that current situation, it's right, $5,000, but in some broker companies, they are not mentioning like in the right way. They're mentioning the minimum deposit is $25, but it's not true. You will not get these spreads. They are, when you will call to this company and ask them, I check some like account with the low spreads, I want to have the same, they will tell you, sorry, it's not working like that. If you want to have the same account, you need to open account with the minimum deposit of $3 or $5 or $10,000. First of all, we have accounts from ICM Markets. And yeah, this account, by the way, it's very nice. You can see low spreads like Australian dollar 6, Euro 8. You know, one more point that I want to mention, some broker companies, what they are doing, they will tell you that our spreads is only $5, but right now you can see 9, 8, 7. You see, it's jumping, and sometimes those spreads might be very high, like dollar Canadian. You see, it was 12. So in that point, when you're opening position, some broker companies, what they are doing is like in the same way, this is the cheating. They give you this requote, you know, so you are not opening position at the same point, but you're opening position with the higher spread. I saw some broker companies, like here is spread is very low, but when you open position and start calculate your spread, you can understand that spread is way more higher. So that's why when I was like showing you the video about top 5 things that you need to know before choosing broker company, I mentioned that you need to deal with regulated broker company, because in regulated broker companies less things like that. In like unregulated companies, they putting some plugins and you can really see this type of the difference. But what I want to show you, I want to show you this type of situation with the swap. You see, in that kind of situation, swap is very big. So with the trading volume 0.12, they charge swap of $1, and unfortunately it's like huge. In the same situation with the dollar franc, only 0.38. And that account, this is account Sky on Fire, I was showing you, and also in on my video I want to, you can check. Account is very profitable, nice, but let us go to his statement, and I want to show you one thing. So you can see there, if you will check swap, yeah, it's very small. Sometimes it's not small at all, it's very big, like here, you know, especially in this currency pair. You need to also check currency pairs about swap, because this currency pair, it's not profitable at all if you are trading at night, because this strategy, it's especially trading at night, and you can see there is swaps is very high, but like at all you can see that spreads low. But if you will go to detail statement, we will go down, and I will show you one thing, that this is small swaps sometimes that we're charging totally charge from that guy minus $519. So his net profit from all his deals was $2,700, but because of the charging of the swap, $519 he paid only for the swap from his profit. You know, so he lost from his account, that account was $700, approximately 80% of his account, 80% of his profit from his starting amount he paid of the swaps. I think it's very big. Swap free account, it's also interesting point, like in another account that I show you right now. It's the company calling ICM Capital, and here you can see spreads are very nice. So let's go like euro dollar, only 4-5 points. If we'll go to the IC markets, we can see there 6, 8. You see here, like more spreads is more jumping in comparison to that company. Right now it's 3, 4, but there is the commission, and commission is $7. So in current situation, you will pay $7 after every deal. So if we will go to check euro dollar, right now it's $4 spread, but you will pay $7 more, and totally it will be 11. That in the end, that account with the spreads, even if you will pay spread 9, it will be way better in comparison to ICM Capital, because here you will pay 10. Like a pound dollar 4, here is 8. Yes, you will pay more also, you will pay 10. You know, so this is some details that you need to understand. But in that account, what is the benefit? This is the swap. There is no swaps. So you can trade there and you will not pay any swap. You need to understand what type of your strategy. If you are trading mostly during the day, if you're not transferring position, if you're not holding position for 1-2 weeks, of course, I will recommend you to trade in some broker companies like IC Markets. Like an example, you know, I'm not pushing you right now to trade specially in that broker company. I'm telling you like example. But if you are trading for the long time holding position, you need to look at some companies like ICM Capital, because you will not pay swap. Commission, it fixed. So if you will open close position, it fixed $7. If you will hold position for 1 week, it's $7. If you will hold position for 1 month, it's $7. But because of the swap, it will charge more, and in the end you will pay way more than spread. Let's go to another option. This is the same ICM Capital, but here spreads is way more bigger. You see, there is no swap, there is no commission. But why I want to show you that account? So if you want to trade, also depends on the instruments that you want to trade. If you want to trade majors, it means most popular the most important currency pairs, it's euro dollar, Australian dollar, pound dollar, dollar Canadian, dollar franc, and sometimes people can taking in that list like dollar yen, and sometimes people taking New Zealand dollar. For me, I don't think that you need to put in the major currency pairs. If you want to trade those currency pairs, only those currency pairs, I'm dealing with that company for a long time, and I have with them very good IB program, the best in the company. So I can give you rebate. So what does it mean? I'm receiving some commission and I can send it to you back of $6. If you will go to the company, they will not offer you direct. I can direct offer you that. So in the end, you will have better trading conditions because you are not paying commission, you are not paying swap, and you will get a rebate. You will have better trading condition than IC Markets, than even that account. You see that even that account. But if you are planning to trade minors currency pair, the spread is not so nice. Of course, that broker company need to charge something, and if you are planning to trade those currency pairs, I'm not recommending to use especially that account for those type of trading. You need to understand that spread you need to choose according to your needs. If you want to trade only majors, okay, great, choose ICM Capital. If you want to trade CFDs, it's totally different story. You need also to check all those companies, comparing what type of instrument they are offering for the trading, what is the spread, is there any commission, and it will help you to understand which one broker company you need to choose. Commission, swap, trading strategy, what type of this trading strategy you will use, and what type of instrument are you planning to trade can make impact on your trading. So first of all, you need to understand to build some small trading plan, business plan, how you want to move, what type of direction, what type of strategies, what type of things you will use in your trading. Sometimes people trading with the several broker companies, for every need it has his own broker company. So that's why if you have some special requirement about your Forex broker company that you need to find, of course I can help you with that. So leave your contact details. I will leave my direct Telegram, you can message me and I can really help you to find the best broker company for your needs. And yes, because these things, they are not the most important. Like the most important thing, this is this trading strategy. If you have spreads, if you have brokers with the zero spreads, in the end you can lose if you don't know how to trade, you know. But this point is also very important. This is one of the fundamental things that you need to do in your trading, to have a good broker company with the good trading condition, with the safe broker company that you need to deposit and withdraw in any time. If you didn't see my videos about these 5 features, 5 things that you need to pay attention on, highly recommend you to watch. And I hope this video helped you to understand what does it mean spread, what does it mean like fake marketing like that one. So yeah, stay tuned guys, and I see you in my next videos, because we will continue our serial about new indicators, and in the next video I'll show you fantastical indicators. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and waiting for new video. See you guys.